Then Big Bird rode around and around on a merry-go-round. "Step right up," shouted a man at the booth. "Pitch the coin into the bottle and win a giant teddy bear." When the man handed him his prize, Big Bird thought, "Imagine, if I joined this carnival, I could win a teddy bear every day." The fun house was filled with flying bats, creaking skeletons, and howling ghosts. "If I didn't know this was make-believe, I'd be really scared," said Big Bird. The funhouse mirrors made him look like a skinny turkey or a rubber ducky. "When I look in the mirror over my nest, I always look the same," said Big Bird. "Gee," said Big Bird, "this is so much fun. I wish I could come to the carnival every day." Big Bird turned and almost bumped into two men. "Greetings, Bird," said one. "We're the Sleeves Brothers, and we think we can make your wish come true. How would you like to be in our show? You'll be the star of the carnival." "Me, Big Bird, a star?" Big Bird cried. "I can't wait." So Sam and Sid painted Big Bird blue. "Now you've got pizzazz," said Sam Sleeves. "We'll call you the Big Bluebird of Happiness." Big Bird became the biggest star in the carnival. He sang and tap danced all afternoon. Bluebird of Happiness. See the dancing bird. Thank you very much for letting me be